started doing calligraphy about 4 years ago when I discovered the subreddit fountain pens on Reddit. I would say my favorite part about doing writing calligraphy is watching the nib flex and bounce, and you can get into like a nice smooth rhythm while you're writing. It's very satisfying. I started restoring pens about 3 years ago because I had a few that needed to be restored, and I looked to see how long it would take to receive my pen back after it's restored, and it said about 6 months. And I didn't want to wait 6 months, so I just decided to try restoring myself. My favorite part of restoring a pen is watching the tarnished gold or silver shine up to looking like it's fresh out the factory. The restoration process usually always works if you have the right tools and patience. I would say the biggest challenge with restoring a pen is seeing if the pen is really worth restoring if you want to sell it. There are many pens out there that simply just aren't worth the time to restore.